Hello everyone, welcome back. If you've been following along, you know that me and the wife, we have a cruise booked here shortly in the future, and I want to take an RC car with me. So, you know, the military and me, I just want to make sure I'm following all the rules. I didn't see anything on Carnival's website about RC cars, so I posted something to John Hill, the brand ambassador of Carnival. Hey, can I take a little RC car out there with me? He said, oh, no. So I made a little video showing him the cars that maybe I could take. And he said, you know what? You, of anyone, deserves to take an RC car. He's supposed to check on it. I haven't heard from you, John. I need to hear from you. I want to take a car out there on the cruise and have some fun and do it legally. But he did mention that, hey, we should take an RC car out on the Lido deck and maybe bring some food, have a food delivery service to some guests that maybe aren't quite up to walking over to Guy's Burgers and getting them a nice little fat burger and some fries and sitting down in the lounge chair. So, man, I am up for the challenge. Now I got to think, what would be a good RC car for this? The Lido deck, it's outside, you know, kind of wet, the pool area. Food, I don't know how much food, it might be heavy. So we need something that's powerful enough to can haul some food. All-wheel drive, which shouldn't be too much of a problem. Most of them are. We want all-wheel drive because, you know, deck might be wet. We want something that's not big and intimidating, but we don't need it so small that people don't see it, and we don't want it so big that it's gonna, you know, knock over grandma. She's over there trying to get her burger on or something like that. So I've been thinking, what RC fit this need of being like kind of small but powerful, you know, easy to be seen and noticed and get the job done. What RC? And the Xmaxx. Yeah, it's not overly big or powerful or anything like that, right? You know, this should do the job. This has enough power to bring you like a dozen Guy's Burgers, big enough to knock over kids. I mean, not knock over, big enough for the kids to see, grandma to see, maybe. You know, if a mobility scooter gets in the way, we can kind of nudge it. We go around it easily. So I'm up for the challenge. Let's go out to our makeshift Lido deck and see how the Xmaxx burger delivery works. All right, everyone, here is our cruise director. We'll just call him John. John doesn't feel like getting up to go get his Guy's Burger, so we're going to deliver to him. He's been kind enough to be the first volunteer to try out the new Xmaxx delivery service. Now, this ship here is in dry dock, so we have a lot of building materials out here, so please excuse the appearance of Carnival backyardies. But Guy's Burger, still open, they're grilling in there. Xmaxx delivery system is ready to go. Check it. Oh no!
How dare you?
Well, that was unfortunate. Well, guys, we'll be working on a little better delivery system. Well, we're still in the testing phases. Maybe we'll shrink the Xmaxx down. Maybe we use the small version, or maybe the mid-sized version. Maybe the mid-max. The mid-max could be one. Mini-max, Xmaxx. We're all maxed out here. We got them all shapes and sizes. Anyhow, hey, no sloths, burgers, fries, Xmaxxes. Any of that was hurt during the production of this video. Hope you found it entertaining. I'm just having some fun with Carnival. We do have a cruise coming up. Maybe, just maybe, I can legally bring a RC around. What do you think? The Mini Max, maybe? I'm actually thinking of the Sonic. If you guys remember, this one kind of went swimming in the Gulf of Mexico. So this is already beach tested. I have paddle tires. Should work good on the beach. This would fit in the suitcase nicely, but I don't want to confiscate it. It's not a very expensive RC, but I still like it. It's a good RC. I think this one worked good. But anyway, we're just having fun with Carnival Cruise. John Held, he's kind of a hilarious comedian kind of guy. So just having some fun with it. But I would like to take an RC car. So just having some fun with this. Guys, if you go to carnival.com and you use coupon code John Hild is the man, it will save you 0% on your cruise. I guarantee, go ahead and put that in the coupon code. It saves you 0. Man, it's awesome savings that they'll give to you. All right, well, I hope you found this just funny, hilarious, entertaining. But maybe, just maybe, you'll see this somewhere in the Caribbean, cruising on the beach. Let's hope. All right, well, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.